Hello friend, welcome to Easy French once again. Well, to learn French step by step, all you need is to subscribe our channel. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the days of the week in French, and that is called les jours de la semaine. That is the days of the week. Well, in French, the week starts by Monday. So Monday, that's called lundi. Lundi. Tuesday, that's mardi. Mardi. That's Tuesday. Wednesday, we call it mercredi. It's mercredi. That's Wednesday. Thursday is called jeudi. Jeudi. Friday, and that is vendredi. Vendredi. That's Friday. Saturday, that's samedi. Samedi. And Sunday, it is called dimanche. That's dimanche. That's Sunday. A day, and that is called jour. Jour, that is a day. Week, that's called semaine. Semaine, that's a week. And today we call it aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, that's today. Yesterday, that's hier. Now H is silent here, so we call it hier. Tomorrow, and that we call demain. Demain. Now we'll do all together lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, and dimanche. So these are all the days of the week. I hope you like this video. Well, to learn French step by step, again, you just have to subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, please click the like button. And if you click the bell button, you get all the information about our upcoming videos. Till then, thank you so much. Take best care of health and happy learning French.